A product with 5 sizes and 3 colors is 15 variants, each with its own SKU, barcode, weight, price, and stock. Multiply that across your catalog, and you have thousands of tiny fields. One missing barcode or a wrong weight that breaks your shipping rates, and you're fixing it inside one product at a time. There's a different way. BulkEditly gives you a variant editor that works across products. Edit price, SKU, barcode, weight, and stock right at the variant level. Select with checkboxes, edit inline, or apply a bulk action. Filter by variant option. Target every large or every red in one pass. Then preview exactly what will change before it applies. Need to roll back a change? Bulk edits are recorded in history with one-click undo. Nothing about your live store breaks. Try the variant editor yourself. BulkEditly is on the Shopify App Store. Link in the description.